Welcome to Why Your Weight Loss Isn't Working After 40 and What to Do Instead. This mini masterclass is designed for women over 40 who are tired of starting over. I'm Dr. Kisha Pickford, nurse practitioner, certified holistic nutrition weight loss coach, and the founder of Ample Health and Wellness. This session is for any woman who feels like she's doing all the right things, yet the scale won't budge, or worse, it creeps back up. Whether you're navigating weight loss naturally or using GLP-1 weight loss medications, this class will help you see what's really going on and how to reset with the Fresh Start method. This isn't about starting over. It's about starting smarter. So, if you're ready, let's begin. I created Ample Health and Wellness because I know how it feels to struggle with weight despite doing everything right. With the help of GLP-1 weight loss medications, I've lost over 130 pounds, and I've also done it while working full time, single parenting, and rebuilding my relationship with my body and food. I also wrote The Wait is Over to help women like you understand that lasting weight loss isn't about willpower. It's about having a plan that works for this season of life. So let's start with the first reason. You're following outdated rules that no longer serve you. Most women I work with have been told to eat 1,200 calories a day, avoid carbs, fast all day, or work out twice a day. But your body in midlife is not the same as it was at 25. At this stage in life, our hormones, metabolism, and stress levels require a more supportive approach. And here's what happens when you eat too little. Your body thinks it's in crisis and it slows everything down, including fat loss. You try to power through with willpower, but by Friday, you're exhausted and discouraged. Let me tell you about my client, Jay. She was eating super clean and under 1,000 calories a day, but was still gaining weight. Once we nourished or showed her how to nourish her body instead of depriving it, the weight started to come off and her energy came back. The fresh fix here was food freedom and foundations. And this is where we teach how to eat in a way that fuels you, keeps your hunger and your hormones balanced, and actually works for your lifestyle and not against it. Meaning you get balanced meals, not restriction. You get hormone friendly food choices that actually fuel you. And we teach you our fresh plate method. And once these methods are in place, your body begins to positively respond and release the weight. The second reason weight loss stalls is mindset. Mindset is often the missing piece. If you've ever thought, I'll start Monday, or if I could just lose 10 more pounds, I'd finally be happy, you're not alone. These thoughts often stem from old identity patterns and beliefs. And these beliefs, well, they shape our behavior. If you don't believe that sustainable weight loss is possible for you, your actions will reflect that doubt even when you're doing everything right. One client, we'll call her C, kept saying she just needed to try harder. But once we worked through her beliefs around worth, food, and failure, she started losing weight without constantly restarting. The fresh fix here was to rewire the mindset. And in our program, we work through identity shifts, daily reflection tools, and small mindset exercises that help you create new beliefs that align with your future self and not your past struggles. And we did just that. We helped C to do an identity shift, become more aware of her thoughts, and we helped her to become more focused on consistency rather than perfection. And she ended the program with a new outlook and a different approach to obtaining optimal or the best health and wellness for her lifestyle. The third reason is this: you're going at it alone. Trying to figure weight loss out on your own is sometimes not sustainable. You're juggling work, family, hormones, and real life on top of trying to figure out what to eat, how to exercise, and you're doing it all without support. And this can be exhausting, and the apps can't coach you through all of that. We weren't meant to do this by ourselves. Support is not a luxury, it's a strategy. My client, and we'll call her D, had all the tools. She had trackers, programs, even a gym membership, but she had no support. Once she joined our group coaching program and had a space to be seen and heard, things finally clicked. And the fresh fix here is structure, support, and community. You don't need another app or tracker. You need accountability, flexibility, and a coach who understands the real life experience of losing weight after 40. And this all boils down to guidance from someone who understands, group support or one on one feedback, and a safe space to grow without shame. So here's what makes the Fresh Start method different. We focus on 5 pillars that address the real reasons weight loss stalls after 40. We start with F for food freedom and foundations, R for rewire your mindset, and E for elevating those habits, and S, simplify and organize your environment, and H, honor your whole health. These 5 pillars all work together to help you stop yo-yo dieting. They help you shift from all or nothing to consistency with grace. And together, they also help you to build a new lifestyle that respects your body, your time, and your hormones. The key point here, it's not about perfection, it's about progress that lasts. Want support? If today's class gave you clarity and confidence and helped you see your journey in a new way, I want to invite you into the next step. You can scan the QR code on your screen or you can visit amplehealthandwellness.com. You'll also find all the links in the video's description, including join our next Fresh Start workshop. It's a 90-minute live experience where I break down the full method step by step. You can use code FRESH20 for a savings. You can grab my book, The Wait is Over. It's packed with stories, strategies, and tools to help you get started. And if you're ready to go all in, you can apply for one of our holistic weight loss coaching programs, and let's work together one on one. Here's what I want you to remember: you're not flawed. You don't need to be fixed or earn your worth through weight loss. But if you want to feel better in your body again, stronger, lighter, more in control, you deserve a plan that works for your body and your vision. And you deserve a strategy that's built for this chapter of your life. And that's what the Fresh Start Method gives you. Thank you for watching and spending time with me today. I hope this message reminded you that your journey deserves support, strategy, and sustainability. And if this talk helped you, I'd love to know. Please leave a comment or send me a message. And share this with another woman who needs a fresh start. Also, be sure to like and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss an episode. And when you're ready to take the next step, I'll be right here walking alongside you because you're not flawed, you're just missing the right plan. I'll see you in the next Fresh Talk. Bye for now.